Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper of Monday. Monday, new week, new puzzles. Monday, November the 27th, 2023. It's also today. 51 days ago, another war has been started, yes, between Hamas and Israel, yes. 51 days, can you imagine? 51 days. All right, this will be number 7517. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits, should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20, so I think it's a 1-star or a 2-star puzzle. A 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. A 2-star puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. First question to use. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. Here, 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 and there are the single boxes. Single box is always a 1. Alright. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? See here, one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, no triple boxes. I see that this is the next question. Quadra boxes. I see here a quadra box in the L shape and here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left with 3 should be there, and the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. But when you see a triple box in the L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5. Alright, let me drink something. Yeah. Here we have also a quadra box, and the numbers I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Insufficient information right now. My next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape is this one. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more? No. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No, only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No, only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes surround one can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then this box, I think it should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, can be 3, can be 4, we have a double 4 there, so yeah, definitely a 5. Alright. These two boxes surround 4 can be 4. Those two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 and 4, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so a 2. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area. Should be here. Then this box can be a 1. This box can be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this cross area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area. Should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then. Let me see. Well. Come on. This box can be 1. This box can be 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well, we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be there. Then. Well, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5, let me mark those, 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4 and a 5. We have a 4 and a 5. Both in those 2 boxes. So yeah, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers also 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1, 2, 3, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box, oh no. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Then these two boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Alright, these two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Then these two boxes can be a 1, we have a double 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 4, we have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. I'm stuck here. 1, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, we have a double 3 there, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here also, well. Come on, need a 1, need a 3. Well, these two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. So the 4 and the 3 goes there as a pair. That means that those two boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 4. And the other pair should be the 1 and the 2. Okay. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Need a 5 here. Wow. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, okay. Let me think. 1, 2, need a 5 here. This can be 2. Come on. 1. Yeah. Well, 5 should be here or there. Overlook. Of course, I cannot place the 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left, the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there. I need a 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again, definitely in one time, faster than 15 minutes. So well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 5 puzzles in the weekend edition. Yeah, we have 5 puzzles left. So have a great and fantastic Monday. See you in the evening. Bye bye for now.